Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Back on the 49 today. Getting ready to, I'm going to pull the door back off. I think this is number 9 or 10. Getting closer to having the thing set and fit right. I'm going to take it off and we're gonna tack the skin in place. Well, I'm gonna trim a little bit off this bottom edge just so I have some adjustment, and then I'm gonna start hammering the skin in place. And then once I get it real close to being finished hammered, we'll check the door again, because then that way if I have to go up with the door skin a little bit, I can. So that's what we're gonna work on right now. I'm gonna pull this door back off. I wanted to cut an 1/8 inch off that. Darn it.
Oh, phooey, I burned the darn muffin.
Darn it. Taking about an 1/8 inch off of this, and as of right now I can't go up any higher with the skin because of where I have it cut on the outside of the door. But if I wanted to go up a little higher, I can't because of this bottom edge. So I'm going to take a 1/4 inch off. No, not 1/4 inch off, 1/8 inch off. I'm going to take just an 1/8 inch off of it so that I can have a little leeway. So you can see here, I didn't cut off much. I would say that piece of metal is probably the width of my cutoff blade plus the cutoff blade. So, very, very little amount I cut off. Pull this hinge off again. I'll be happy when this door is done. I'll be happy when I get this side wrapped up. Still gotta finish this door. I gotta finish that rocker. And then we got to put the fender on, and I got to make some adjustments to the fender to make that fit properly. So, and I'm hoping, I'm also hoping that this side has been such a big job because it was hit on this side and it's just everything's out of place, so I'm just having to make everything fit, and I'm really hoping that the other side is better. The driver's side, when it came in here, nothing fit right on the driver's side, but everything seems to fit okay on the passenger side. So I'm hoping that I can take it all apart and put it back together with all the new pieces. It'll fit a lot better than this side. I mean, I'm expecting to have to do some adjustments. But I'm hoping that I don't have to do what I did on this side. So I just tack the corners in place so that it won't move. I'll flip it over. We're going to start hammering and dollying this out little by little. I'm gonna grab my big boy dolly. This out. I have this really cool tool that goes on the air hammer that you get the corner started, and then you run the air hammer along it and it pinches everything shut. But I think this metal's way too thick for it. It's for more modern day cars than these old cars. So I'm not slamming this down as hard as it can go, just in case I gotta move it. I want it close. So I'm gonna call it a night at this. I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, we got this. You know, it was a little short video. You know, I think it's under an hour, but we pretty much got this door skin on. You know, just looking at it, you know, we are right on the edge of this body line right here. So I don't know. I may just tack the door skin or weld the door skin here along this top edge. I'll run a whiz wheel here and I'll run a whiz wheel here and get these edges here to butt up. But this is right on the body line right there. You know, it's a perfect spot to just weld it to, because it's right on the body line. It'll grind out super nice. You won't have barely any Bondo there. Less chance of warping right there on the body line. So just an idea. I don't know that I'm gonna go with that, but it's possible. It is right there, real close. So. But I think I'm out, guys. Have a good night. Remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. It helps our algorithm. Helps YouTube to get it out there more. So, greatly appreciate it. I'm out.
Oop.